the key differentiator to determine what solution will win versus what solutions will lose is innovation. My name is Edwin Blom and I'm an executive advisor for IGS. I have a background in oil and gas, both in hands-on maintenance and operations, as well as executive roles across the globe. And if you look at the energy transition, like a decade ago, there was this big sense of urgency driven by the emission trends that people were observing. And at the global level, targets were agreed. They were then cascaded down to different countries and different businesses. And if you now take it today and you observe what's going on, then I think there is two key observations. First of all, I think we all agree now that there is no one single solution to solve the energy transition. It is going to be a mix of, for example, solar, wind, hydrogen, nuclear, but also the traditional energy sources such as coal, oil and gas. The key differentiator to determine what solution will win versus what solutions will lose is innovation. I think what IGS is very strong on today is that the solutions and the innovations, they're all in-house. They are designed, they are created, and then they are used in the field. IGS play a role in a number of these solutions across the energy transition. And let me give a few examples. So, for example, there is the products like Hot-Tech, C-Tech, Tube-Tech that play a role in CO2 and NOx reductions from fired heaters, and there are many of those across the globe. If you look at high velocity thermal spray, that can play a role in helping clients to make a successful transition from traditional fuel to biofuels. So rather than having to replace their critical vessels for vessels with an upgraded material, they can spray this with HVTS. That will reduce the capital expenditure and that will make these biofuel projects more attractive. The same applies for CCS. Carbon capture and storage. When you connect this to existing facilities, you have different corrosion mechanisms and HVTS can help you mitigate that in a very affordable way. Third example is the environmental products line, is with the SCR units, where IGS provides the particle screens, but also the ceramic refractory coating that will really drive down emissions from those kind of units.